In today's digital age, you don't have to be stuck in a 9 to 5 that you don't like, you are stressed, you are overworked, underpaid, right? In fact, there is new ways that you can earn, right? And today I'm going to share with you, how you can actually make money online, right? Number one, you need to have a strong mindset. A strong mindset is very important, right? Because there is time where things going to be hard, difficult, but you need to keep pushing, right? You need to keep pushing forward because you know why exactly you want to build this online business, right? Yeah, because at the end of the tunnel there is light, right? The question is, which hard do you want to choose, right? Do you want to be stuck in your 9 to 5 and probably retire broke, stress, or do you want to build something concrete, right? That will you later, right? That's the question here. Right. Let me turn my camera around and I will share with you my screen and let's go. Okay, the first element that you need if you want to start your online business, is a strong mindset. You need to keep pushing even things are hard, you're not seeing results, you need to keep pushing. It's not like you go to the gym, for one day you eat salad the next day and you expect having six packs, the next day. Similarly, online business, takes time. You need to have the right mindset, basically, right? Quickly, now the second element that you need is a good quality product, right? A good quality product is, basically, it's a product that solve issues, right? And it has a proven sales record, right? People need the product. It's in high demand. That's what I meant actually, right? This is a good quality product. And if you are looking for some product to promote, you can still go on ClickBank or Digistore 24. You will see all the niches and product that you can apply and promote, right? This is, by the way, right? Also, I am promoting high quality digital product that you have the initial right. You can earn 100% commission, over and over, right? Compared to affiliate marketing where you have a percentage of the commission, right? Quickly now, you need to make sure that you have automation set up, right? Because the automation will allow your business to run 24/7, right? Basically, we use autoresponder, plenty of them on the net right now, so that you can use, right? And you can set up this automation, right? So that, when people visit your storefront, which is your mini website or funnel, people will see which type of problem that you are solving, right? And they will opt in order to have the solution, right? And they will receive emails daily, right? Basically, this is your automation. You need to make sure that the product that you are advertising has automation set up, or if it doesn't have one, you need to create one. And right now with ChatGPT, you can do a lot of amazing things, right? It's easy to do, right? And last but not least, you need to start learning attraction marketing, right? I still remember back in the day when I was doing network marketing, for example, I have to DM people, break the ice, create conversation, and introduce my product, right? But with attraction marketing, basically, you learn the skills where you create content, right? And people, you will attract people to you, through your content, right? People will come to you and buy from you instead of you chasing them, right? You need to make sure that you know how to do attraction marketing, right? This is very important. And yes, in the program I am promoting, the one I have told you earlier when I was talking about good quality products, basically will teach you all of this, will teach you attraction marketing and will teach you also how you are going to work 2 hours per day around your schedule, right? Which is amazing. All right. I'm not saying that you will be able to master 2 hours per day out of the gate. You know, if you are a complete beginner, it's going to take time. You need to go through to the learning the program itself, right? You need to go to the program itself, learn, the step-by-step instruction, you know, uh, and then with time you'll be able to master the 2 hour workday process, right? I have some video over here that you can go and click and watch, right? And you will know all about that, right? Basically, how the 1 hour workday process works. You need to create 3 pieces of short form video, right? When I'm talking about short form video, I'm talking about TikTok, for example, right? Right. So if you are a complete beginner, I suggest you start with TikTok. Why? Because you'll be able, basically, let's say you are going to build your audience faster than YouTube, for example, right? With TikTok, it's going to be faster, right? My mentor, she has a blueprint, right? And she figured out that by putting 3 pieces of short-term video daily, right? So you'll be able to have a good result, in terms of engagement and leads, right? Which is very awesome. This will take you 1 hour to prepare, right? And the second hour, you need to go live, live for 1 hour, right? As a start, when we are talking about TikTok, for example, right, you cannot go live, right? Because it takes up to, I think, 1,000 followers in order for you to go live on TikTok, right? Since you can't go live, you spend half an hour doing copy paste ads. We have a high traffic website that will give you the classified ads, right? Where there is huge traffic going on, and you'll be able to advertise your product. You spend half an hour per day doing copy paste, right? And the other half an hour, you check your email, you respond to CTAs. CTAs means call to actions, because you will see the video that you will create, you'll have some CTAs, people will ask for, you spend a half an hour going through your videos and etc., right? By doing that, you will definitely see results if you stay consistent and coachable. And we have seen so many people in our community, having results like this or like this. You can see on the screen, of course. Yeah, but result depends on your work ethic. You need to be coachable. I'm not saying that you are going to get the same results. What I'm saying is it's possible if you stay consistent and coachable, you know. Uh, that's all for now, guys. If you have any question for me, please let me know in the comments, and I will answer them for sure. So like and subscribe. See you in the next video.